Hello everybody, Hiלה is here. I'm making today a very requested video. It's a studio tour, my new shop and workshop. In the beginning it will be quite noisy because I'm gonna film from the outside, from the street, and then I will close the door, so be patient. This is one of the main streets of Tel Aviv. It's Yehuda street, but not a lot of people are passing by in the street. That's why the rent is not expensive so much. And this is the place of my new shop. Okay, now we go to the inside. This is the sign on the door if I'm not here, so people can see my phone number. This is the window from the inside. It's hard to show you the window, I know. Wallpaper was very expensive. The shop is divided for two parts: the workshop and the shop where the clients are buying the soaps. Here are all the soaps. Problem is that the display is mixed with curing soaps and the soaps for sale, and this leads to an annoying conversation with every client to explain what is a curing soap. And some of them, they want to buy soaps that are still curing, and I need to say no, it's not so comfy. If you follow me, you know that I am selling my soaps not only here, but also in the art fair of Bנחלת Benimin. It's an artist market, and online. This wall, the dividing, I made it with another wallpaper. The walls, I painted them by myself. Here is another divider. When I just started a shop, I had a vision that people can see me working, and then I saw it's not good. It's pretty annoying. Here is the table where I'm packing the sauce for my clients. It's annoying because then they are focusing in what I am doing and not in buying the soaps. It's disturbing the selling process. Behind the curtains are my tools. It's another thing. I don't want the clients to be distracted by the soaping tools, which can be interesting, but it's irrelevant for a client who wants to buy. And if they don't want to buy, then I don't need them in the shop. It's disturbing. I'm working here. I'm not a display. So this is my soap cutter. Those are my old soap cutters. Some glass tools, stamps, alcohol, wraps for the stand, molds for the chocolate soap, another wraps for the stand. Summer in Tel Aviv is very harsh, humid and hot, so this fan is operating all day long on the highest level. And also I have another fan in the part of the workshop. My molds, my steamer, some books, containers and small containers, some silicone molds, small crock pots, packages for deliveries. Here is the window from the outside. Okay, let's go inside the workshop. First thing I bought was this industrial sink, always full with dishes, always. And it was not connected to water, so this was needed to pull the water from the toilet. Here are the toilets, small window. The only mistake that I made when I took this shop, I didn't think about having another window. If I would take now a new shop, I would take a window also here, that there will be two directions of air, because it's pretty harsh, the essential oils in the air in the summertime. Okay, so I have small window here, and that's why it's a good place to make the lye solution. Here is the lye solution for the batch I'm making today, which is lemongrass soap, and it's cooling. It's good that I have this place to make it, because I can close it. Here is the door for the toilet, and no steams in the shop. And another reason that I or my clients will not bump into it by mistake. And in the toilet I made a shelf to store, and here more shelves. Here is my working table. Under the working table, lots of olive oil. I'm an all-natural soap maker. I'm an Israeli soap maker. We are using a lot of olive oil. It's not so expensive here, so it's a good filler to the soaps. You see? In Hebrew it's written that it's cold press high quality olive oil. My shea butter, organic raw, hemp, castor, coconut, all kinds of ingredients for the soaps. This corner is for the soap ends, which I'm using for samples. At first it was not hidden from the clients, and it was not good, because some of the clients were focusing on this, how they can buy it, and I don't want to sell them. Giving them away as gifts for clients who are buying. Here is the corner for mainly packing deliveries, bananas. Here a shelf with handy stuff. Where are the micas, you're asking? No micas. I'm all natural soap maker, so all kinds of clays and activated charcoal and salts, only healthy stuff, no synthetic. This is my water that I'm drinking, my laptop. Sometimes I sit here just to work on my laptop. My scale, the recipes. Here is another table. In this table now I'm heating the oils for the lemongrass soap, and this is a batch that is waiting to be cut of my organic lavender soap, which is also for babies and sensitive skin. Under this table, more ingredients for the soaps and personal stuff. Here is all the garbage, which I making my best to recycle. Recycling paper, regular baggage, plastic recycling. Another recycling here is the plastic bottles, glass. In this corner you see this is the infusing annetto in olive oil corner. I'm checking it once in a few days. These are shelves I bought in IKEA for the dishes. When I'm making the dishes, I put the dishes here. This is my lunch for today. I'm vegan, as you see. I'm gonna eat lentils and salad. Refrigerator. Now you are about to see the most expensive corner of the workshop. See if you guess. Here are my essential oils, which I'm buying in liters. No fragrances, only essential oils. And in this corner, the organic essential oils. I have 3 organic soaps. Let's make a fast tour of everything so you can see everything. This air conditioner I'm not using because I cannot close the door, and I cannot breathe if I close the door. Simple ingredients, because the soaps are all natural, simple tools. Some loofahs. Here are the soap dishes I'm selling. These soap dishes are my favorite because they are handmade by a neighbor of my soap stand, and she is a carpenter for 30 years. She's making it from recycled wood. Yeah, the window unfortunately cannot be seen very well. So if you are in Tel Aviv, I invite you to come to my shop or to my stand in the art fair market. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you for the next time. Bye, Hila.